Dear children, this is our third session of trigonometry as a mathematical tools, and in this lecture we are going to study trigonometric ratios or values of special angles. As we all know, in 10th class we have studied some special value angles such as 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So I am trying to make a chart for your proper understanding. So in the first column we are taking angle. Angles are 0, 30 degree, unit we are taking as degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. And over here we are taking trigonometric ratios such as sine, cos and tan, and others three will be reciprocal. You have to remember only the values for sine. Sine 0 degree is 0, sine 30 degree is half, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 root 3 by 2 and sine 90 degree is 1. Now for values of cos, just take these values in reverse order, means starting from 1 to root 3 by 2, then 1 by root 2, then 1 by 2 and cos 90 will be 0. So in this way cos 0 degree is 1, cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is same, cos 60 is 1 by 2 and cos 90 degree is 0. Now tan 0 or any tan value is obtained by sine divided by cos, because tan theta equals to sine theta divided by cos theta. So 0 by 1 is 0, then tan 30 degree is half divided by root 3 by 2. So this is 1 by root 3. So if you don't remember the instantaneous values, no need to worry, just find instantaneous dividing sine by that same value of cos. Then sine 45 upon cos 45 is tan 45, which is 1. Then sine 60 upon cos 60 is tan 60, which will be root 3. Now sine 90 divided by cos 90, which will be tan 90, and this is denoted by infinite. This value is undefined. Now suppose we are taking a simple question for illustration. We have to prove that sine 60 degree equal to 2 tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. For proving these type of identities, the particular values are given in terms of 60 and 30. So these are particular valued identities. So I am taking LHS. LHS is sine 60, so which is equal to root 3 by 2. Now I am going to take RHS, which is 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Now since tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3, so this is 2 into 1 by root 3 upon 1 plus 1 by root 3 square will be 1 by 3. So LCM and total will be 4 by 3. So this is equal to 2 into 1 by root 3 divided by 4 by 3. Now when we solve this, this is cancelled and this 3 goes to extreme numerator. So it is 3 by root 3 into 2 by 4. which is equal to root 3 by 2, and it is equal to LHS. So in the similar manner we can solve other questions. Now depending on these special angles, you may note down some questions for practice. First is sin 30 degree into cos 60 degree plus cos 30 degree into sin 60 degree. We have to put it and prove it as 1. Question 2 is sin 45 degree cos 30 degree minus cos 45 degree sin 30 degree is root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Question 3 is sin pi by 6 plus cos pi by 6 within bracket sin pi by 3 minus cos pi by 3 within square brackets. This we have to prove equal to half. Question 4 is tan square A minus tan square pi by 2 minus A equal to sin square A minus cos square A divided by sin square A into cos square A. And next question, question number 5 is, if A equal to 30 degree, then verify that sin 2A equal to 2 sin A into cos A, tan 3A equal to 3 tan A minus tan cube A whole upon 1 minus 3 tan square A. So hope you will try by yourself these problems and will be successful in doing these problems. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.